Meaning of distiller.
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 Distiller. The term distiller refers to a person or a company that distills alcoholic beverages such as whiskey, rum, or vodka. Distilling is the process of purifying and concentrating the alcohol in fermented liquids through heating and cooling. The result is a stronger and often more refined spirit with a higher alcohol content than the original liquid. In addition to producing alcoholic beverages, distillers may also create essential oils or other distilled products used for medicinal or cosmetic purposes. Overall, the term distiller refers to someone who specializes in creating concentrated, distilled products through a precise and often complex process.